IPCOM, Insulation Products Company, active in the distribution and conversion of insulation materials, with a strong presence in Europe. The main focus within the IPCOM group is building insulation, technical insulation, acoustic insulation, fire protection, and high-temperature insulation. The Insulcon Group is one of the leading companies in the world dealing with high-temperature solutions and services. The Insulcon Group has several offices in Europe and works with official business partners around the world. In this film, we introduce our Wearflex department at the Steenbergen location. We have invested in a new facility where we design, engineer, and produce solutions made out of high-temperature technical fabrics. We have over 25 years of experience in making Wearflex products, and we are one of the leading manufacturers and suppliers of fabric, rubber, and metal expansion joints. In-house production, high-quality, tailor-made solutions specifically designed to meet our customer requirements. Our products are vital components in most of today's energy and industrial plants, such as power plants and waste incinerators, petrochemical and chemical plants, cement works and steel works. Our main product groups are expansion joints, dynamic seals, and tube seals. Our Wearflex solutions help you to have a better controllable process in your assets due to CO2 reduction, less heat loss, safer working environment, and better efficiency. We are true solution providers. We provide high-temperature sealing solutions. First, we inspect and assess the situation by using the latest thermal imaging technology. Our skilled engineers can inspect and report the conditions of all your expansion joints. With our know-how, we fulfill our customers' needs and requirements. Our handmade and tailor-made expansion joints are individually manufactured in our brand new production facility at the Wearflex factory in Steenbergen, the Netherlands, using the highest quality materials and highly skilled professionals. Based on the application and your requirements, we will advise the best expansion joint possible for your specific application. Our team will install the expansion joints in your plant. At Wearflex, we provide you with full service and maintenance, offering you the complete package. Part of the Insulcon Group with years of experience. In-house design and production, providing you with high-temperature solutions. Wearflex is part of Insulcon. The Insulcon Group, the leader in high-temperature solutions.